If you've ever wanted to add a clickable link inside a SurveyMonkey survey, this video is going to walk you through the exact steps in a quick and easy way. Whether you want to send people to a website, a product page, a support form, or another resource, adding a link in SurveyMonkey can help you guide respondents exactly where you want them to go. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to SurveyMonkey in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're inside your dashboard, open the survey you want to edit or start a new survey if you haven't created one yet. In this example, we're working inside a survey where we want to place a link in the content. Next, find the spot where you want the link to appear. Move your mouse over that area and you'll see a plus icon appear. This plus icon is how you add new content blocks in SurveyMonkey. Click the plus icon to open the list of available elements. From the options that appear, click on Text. This creates a text block where you can type your message and add a hyperlink. Once the text block opens, you'll see a toolbar with formatting tools. Look for the pin or link icon in that toolbar and click it. This is the tool that lets you insert your URL. Now paste your link into the URL field. Be careful to include the full address, including https:// if needed, so the link works properly when someone clicks it. After that, you'll usually see a field for the display text. This is the words people will actually see in the survey, like visit our website, learn more, or click here. Type the text you want to display, then confirm by clicking OK. At this point, your link should be inserted into the text block. Take a moment to review it and make sure the display text looks right and the destination URL is correct. If anything needs changing, you can click back into the block and edit it before saving. Once you're happy with everything, click Save to store your changes. SurveyMonkey will update the survey and your clickable link will now be part of the survey content. And that's it. You now know how to insert a link in SurveyMonkey. It's a simple process once you know where to click, and it can make your surveys much more useful and professional. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.